How to remove a bot from Discord. Hello everybody, in the step-by-step guide we're gonna teach you, so let's get started. First of all, head over to discord.com and log in into your Discord account. Once you are logged in, you should be finding this, so you can head over the server in which the bot is located first. So once you head over the server, go ahead and click on your server's name and go over the server settings. Click on it. And once you open up your server settings, you need to head over to the option of members from your left side. Scroll and head over to the option members. Open it up. Now, once you open up members here, it will show you all of the bots and members. So all you gotta do is look out for the bot that you want to delete. Scroll, and at the very last of each bot, you should be finding a three dot. Click on it. And once you click on it, you should be finding an option of kick the spot option. So just go ahead and click on it, and you can select a reason for kick. Click on kick, and your bot should be removed. So this is it. You can follow this method in order to remove your bot this way. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.